I believe you do need to have a bank account or some type of account for self so that they can go ahead and take out your first, you have a $9 fee and then also your monthly fee. With them, I had them take it directly out of my bank account. And when my account was over with, when I paid it all the way up, I had them put the money right back in because you're paying all that money into a secure account. So after your 12 months, 24 months, whatever you're paying, they have to put that money back into your account. And if you guys don't have a bank account, get a bank account. Like that's just basic things, you guys. We have to have bank accounts. And usually, if you guys are having a hard time getting a bank account, get a bank account with Wells Fargo because they are forgiving. So if you guys had like bad banking history before, Wells Fargo will forgive you as long as you don't have any bad history with them. Or clear your check systems. Check systems is a systems that has all your banking history, whether you're paying on time, you're not paying on time, any negative things. It's like your credit reports for your bank account. Get that stuff cleared off. And I have a letter that you guys can get to try to remove that history from check systems. But you guys have to have like some type of history when it comes, like some type of bank account when it come down to self. Let's go ahead and type self into the website again, and let's see what they're working with. Because when you apply for the self account, um, they are most likely going to require that you have some type of account, you guys. And you guys should be able to have a regular bank account because they need to be able to take out your fees. So let me show you the fees that I mean. So when it comes down to self, they have to take out that $9 per month. Oh, let me not click it. They have to take out that $9 per month. So whatever account that you choose, they don't have to take out $9 out, and then whatever you're paying every month. So again, the $48 per month is the one that I like. They have to take that money out every month too. So you guys have to have a bank account, like some type of bank account, some type of bank assist, like something, so that they can take out that fee. I believe that they could take it out of a off of a card, but I believe it has to be a bank account. They took mine out of my bank account, I believe. So definitely make sure you guys have a bank account. Like I said, so you guys can go to Wells Fargo, get an account with them, or try like your local credit union to get an account if you don't have an account, because like you need to have a bank account. Like you have to have some place